It appears Bitcoin is breaking toward the downside of the last 14 days of sideways consolidation. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts and see what the charts have to say about what can happen next. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning into today's video. We're going to go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin today, particularly focusing on the smaller time frame and the price action we're seeing on the charts. We're also going to talk about where we think price is going on the short-term time frame and discuss the broader markets. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video, but before we do, consider smashing that like button, hit a comment, and obviously subscribe to our channel if you are new. Join our Telegram channel, the second link down below. You get access to all our charts, analysis, information, and a lot more. Of course, the VIP Telegram channel and the free Telegram channel, they're both going to be resuming their standard posts on the 1st of January. Okay, from the 14th to the 1st, I take time off, so the 1st of January, those charts and those analysis and those posts are going to resume as per usual. If you're interested in joining our VIP channel, which of course is our trading channel for the 2023 year, you can go ahead and access our end of year sale starting tomorrow via the free channel. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so market data, we're looking at Bitcoin over here. We're negative 13.97 for quarter 4. This is going to be the first ever time we have closed our 4 consecutive red quarters. Now, of course, this is quite indicative and representative of the current bear market phase, as pushing on 14 months now. This has been one of the longer bear markets we have seen according to the 4-year cycle. We saw a 12-bar period, a 12-month bear market, we saw a 13-month bear market, and now we're pushing into 14 months if we don't see that macro reversal soon. So we are pushing into quite an extended bear market according to the prior 2 bear markets we have actually seen before. With that being said, volatility is dropping to lows we haven't seen for quite some time. The last time we were at this volatility low was around about the 24th of August, and prior to that was the 2020 COVID crash, and prior to that was the 2018 absolute bottom. So we are starting to see volatility drop down to what you would call bottom levels. With that being said, volume is rapidly on the decline as well. We've had a little bit of volume surge as per the liquidations within the last 24 hours, as Bitcoin has in fact broken downwards from this uptrending support line we've been developing over the last 10 or so days. We'll come back and talk about that later in today's video. So let's take a look at the broader market. So DXY is in a consolidation phase. We are in this triangular structure, a pennant structure, meaning that we are going to be breaking towards a direction pretty soon. And this apexes around the 31st of December, meaning before the 31st of December, we should have made a move towards the upside or towards the downside, and downside being bullish for the markets, upside being bearish for the markets. Looking at the S&P 500 and Dow Jones, of course, both of these assets will need to reclaim their absolute local highs over here to see a continued move toward the upside, whether it be the Dow Jones reclaiming 35,000 or whether it be the S&P 500 pushing past 4,100. Until that happens, we are very much in this downtrending structure, expecting a target of these lower levels. Again, for the Dow Jones, expecting a target of this black horizontal and downward diagonal trend line. Pushing past this local high, however, can take us to our highs over here. And for the S&P 500, pushing past this level over here will enable a retest of 4,300. Moving on from there, our bond yields are actually pushing upwards. This is obviously bullish for the dollar and bearish for the market, so we do want to take in consideration what is happening over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has broken down from this uptrending support line we've developed over the last 10 or so days. So this uptrend we've developed has now officially broken. And this, of course, overall is a downtrending structure. For the last 20 or so days, if not longer, we have in fact been in an overall downtrend with massive deviation to retest the June to November lows. But all in all, this structure here is a downtrending structure. We have seen a smaller time frame consolidation occur since the start of around the 20th of December, which is what you're looking at right here. This is our small time frame consolidation between our 2 horizontal support levels. At the moment, we have actually broken down from not only the uptrending support line of that structure, but we rejected from this upper resistance level, which is our 17,000 level, and we have lost the POC level on the chart, which is 16,820, indicating not only a support resistance flip of this level, but a strong rejection and continuation toward the downside. I'd be looking for a continuation towards these lows here, and that would be the directional bias at the moment. We can expect the price to continue downwards here until this upper resistance level, $17,000, is reclaimed again. So right now, the direction in the market for the short term is very much down. You can expect the price to continue down unless the $17,000 level is reclaimed, and then we'll be looking for a swing upwards. So our lower levels are, of course, this 16,600 level, which is represented by this red area here. Moving downwards from there, we're looking at the higher peaks in the VRPV, 16,200, and again moving down from there, looking at this green box, 15,800 to 15,600. That is all we're taking a look at currently, and that is what the charts are saying. So we're going to leave the video there, guys. We're going to keep it nice and short and sharp. I don't have a lot of time today. If you did enjoy the quick update, go ahead and smash the like button, hit the comment, and subscribe to the channel. And of course, we'll see you in the VIP channel, hopefully for 2023, if you do consider signing up. Of course, you can find all the information in that Telegram channel. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for a more extended and extensive update. Cheers.